Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to share a PDF with your website's visitors? Learn how to seamlessly embed a PDF file into your Squarespace site within this video, making it easy for your audience to view or download important documents. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So, first of all guys, head up to your dashboard and open your site. By clicking on your site, you'll be opening this page which basically has everything you need to follow me in this video. First thing first, we have to add a button or something that includes or mentions to people that they have to click here to download the PDF file. So I'm gonna click on the page edit. Let me just reset the zoom and click on page edit. And here we will be able to edit the templates. What I'm gonna do is to create a whole section for this specific video. So I'm gonna click add section and I'm going to choose add a blank section. Now here I will edit the section by changing its color. I'm gonna add formats and this will allow me to view the grid. I'm going to add within this section another block. I'm going to name it, choose it to be a text, and I'm gonna put it right here. So there is multiple type of text that you can choose. Of course, there is the here as you can see, paragraph 1, heading, etc. Go with heading and choose download PDF. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, and just like that I will be making sure that it is in the middle, something similar to this. I guess this is a good middle if I'm not mistaken. Alright, here I'm gonna add a couple of things like a line. So I'm gonna add this kind of line with this color, and I'm gonna reduce the thickness of it a little bit. I'm gonna make it round, bring it to front, or basically add an animation to it, which gonna be something just like that. So here we have download PDF. I'm gonna, yeah, it is not fully in the middle. I'm gonna use this, put it here. Yeah, that's perfect. That is good. So let's reduce this to be here. Reduce this also. Alright. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is to add a button. This button will let people by clicking on it, taking them either to a PDF page or basically to a downloadable file. Let's click on add block and here search for button. Choose it and basically drag it right in the middle. Click on edit the style and basically click on design. Here you will have fit, make sure that it is fit, and put it right below the download file. I'm gonna choose these colors, it is button style, and making sure that it is fitting my goal. So let's start by selecting a couple of things. First of all, the shape of it. There is this one, and there is no fill, and there is the fill one. So it's completely up to you to choose which one to go for. As you can see, so there is this one, and there is the one that I have shown you. What I'm gonna do exactly with this is basically I'm gonna go with the fill one, and as you can see, I'm gonna make sure to give it some outline like that. The padding, I'm gonna make it small. We can make it loud, but there's no need for it. I'm gonna edit it a little bit, push it to the text itself, and just like that we have our button. Now the button mentions learn more but not download now, so we have to edit it as well. I'm gonna go ahead and apply all button types. So basically I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna choose the color to be basically yellow for button. Let me just go here. As you can see here, let me choose it to be for button. There is too many options here. Let's click on Control F, button. Yeah, this one, I'm gonna choose it to be yellow. And button text, I'm gonna choose it to be yellow also. The secondary also, I'm gonna choose it to be yellow. And here, yellow as well. This one as well, yellow. I'm gonna just keep everything that is basically about buttons in yellow shape, so we can basically save it. Let me just are you sure you want to reset console? Anyway, let's go back, and yeah, here I'm gonna change this, and as you can see, the button has been changed to the yellow color. And just like that, I'm gonna go back, and here I'm gonna click on this button once more. So let me just close this, and let me just click on the button once more and double click on it, and this will allow me to view this tab. This tab will have a text, so let's change it to download now, or to download PDF. And as you can see, within here you will have attach link, so you can attach multiple things, like such as, for example, URL, so you can take them either to a page that you have within your site. For example, I have blogs, about, podcasts, soundcheck, etc. and homepage, or you can change it to a file. So simply choose it to be a file and add your PDF file right here. Click on upload and select one from your PC. So we simply are gonna look for a PDF. I don't really have one, so I'm gonna look for a PDF file. So PDF file, CV. Let's go here. Let's try to download a free PDF file. There we go. Or basically, for example, PDF file story. There we go. We have this stories with the PDF file. So we can copy the link or download it. Let's download it, for example, or either copy the link and basically paste it right over here. This will allow them to go to this site and basically view this PDF file. From this page, they can download the PDF file from here, or basically if you download the PDF file, since I don't really trust these things, I'm not gonna really download it on my PC, that's why I didn't upload it here. But guys, you can easily just upload your PDF file that you have by clicking on this button, and it will be downloaded. Once it is done, click on save from here, and everything will be ready to go and published to the people so they can have it on their PC and view it within your site, and basically download the file once it is ready. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.